Hi, I'm Iraïs Garcés de Marcilla, and now I'm going to present you my bachelor thesis about the training of a deep learning algorithm for the classification of remitting and relapsing patients of psychosis. First, let me quickly define what psychosis is, as it can be described as an alteration in brain connectivity that leads to impairment of cognition and speed at which information gets processed. What causes a diversity of psychiatric symptoms like illusions or delusions or even alterations in movement. Knowing this, functional magnetic resonance imaging can be used to detect changes in the brain associated with blood flow, and this allows us to measure brain activity and connectivity between different areas. And as it is known that this is impaired after a psychotic episode, and even that the state of impairment might differ between patients depending on the severity of their condition and the number of episodes they have had or might have in the future, this imaging modality can be used to generate functional and structural connectivity matrices. Furthermore, this information can be used to train deep learning algorithms such as variational encoders that can generate n-dimensional spaces following the characteristics of this data, and even represent remitting and relapsing cases in the different regions of these spaces, allowing for a proper classification defined by some of the characteristics of these conditions. These n-dimensional spaces are known as latent spaces, and are the ones I will work with. Therefore, this thesis is focused on the study of various latent space dimensions, each model trained with synthetic data that has been generated via data augmentation processes based on genetic algorithms and connectivity models from real patients, functional and structural information. With this dimensional analysis and the creation of a classification model based on a neural network, we expect to find a proper dimension of the latent space in which these conditions of having just one psychotic episode defining remission or having more than one defining relapsing can be correctly distinguished and classified.